Welcome to Technologist. Today we will create a shortcut with send to option. So just we'll create one new path where I want to create save all the data. So this is a E drive. In this E drive I'll create one folder and all data should be saved over here when we use send to functionality. So I will mention this folder name as a C drive data. So now I will create one shortcut. For that I will go to for that just click on Windows plus R. In the run window you can type a command which is available in description. You can copy paste that command. Just type shell colon and send to and click on OK. Now send to folder is open. In that folder you can create a shortcut for C drive data. So just right click on the folder and create a shortcut. You can say cut this shortcut file and paste in send to folder, and you can rename this folder shortcut as C drive data. See, now it's created. That's it. Now just right click on any folder, file or anything which you want to save in the E drive C drive folder. I will create one text file and I will send this file to directly E C drive data. See, after right click you will get the option of C drive data. After right click on send to, click on C drive data. Now I will check. See, that file is available over here. In document also I will right click and I will use the send to functionality and send file to E drive C drive data. This is for the Windows file and folders. Now for the data which we are downloading from Google Chrome. For that we can use setting. In the setting you have to go to download option. From there you can change the path. So you can see the default path over here. You can change this path. Click on change and you can mention E drive. Here you can create one folder. It's a W1 download 1. We can consider this, or you can upload a folder. You can give any folder name. It's up to you. So now this location is by default set for the whatever you download from the Google Chrome. So we will download one image. We will see where it will goes. It will goes to C drive download or E drive DW1 location. So let's open one image. Right click over here, save images. See the path over here, it's E drive DW1. So by default all the image and file will automatically save into E drive DW1. Okay, now we will download one video and we will see where it will goes. Sample video download. Okay, I don't know which site. I'm first time using this site. And sample video. Okay, just click on download and oh, it started. So the file is downloaded. See, it's downloaded in e.dw1 folder. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, Techno Analyst. Thank you so much.